In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a landing page is a vital step if you're looking to capture leads or promote a specific offer, and Beehiiv is an excellent tool for doing just that. So let's not waste any time and dive straight into the process. First things first, if you don't already have an account with Beehiiv, you'll want to go ahead and sign up. Once you have your account ready, logging into Beehiiv is simple. Just enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find various options here, but for now, let's focus on building a landing page. On your dashboard, look for the option that says Create. It should be prominently displayed. Click on that, and you'll see a list of choices, one of which will be Landing Page. Click on that to get started. Now here's where things get exciting. You'll be taken to a blank canvas where you can begin designing your page. Before you jump into the design, let's think about what you want your landing page to achieve. Is it to collect emails? Promote a new product? Whatever your goal is, keep it in mind as you build. You'll see various templates available. Templates are a great way to save time, while ensuring that your page looks polished and professional. Browse through the options and select one that resonates with your brand or the message you want to convey. Once you click on a template, it will load up for you to start editing. At this point, you're ready to customize the page. You will notice that there are sections on the template for a headline, subheadline, images, and call to action buttons. Start with the headline. This is the first thing your visitors will see, so make it catchy. Use language that speaks directly to your audience and highlights the value they'll receive. Next, move on to the subheadline. This is your opportunity to provide a little more detail or context to the headline. Think about what you can add that will compel visitors to stay and learn more. Now, let's talk about visuals. Images can greatly enhance the appeal of your landing page. In Beehiiv, you can easily upload images from your device, or you can use images from the templates library. Choose visuals that are high quality and relevant to your content, as they can help to make your landing page more engaging. After that, you'll want to create a compelling call to action button. The text on this button should be direct and action-oriented. Instead of using generic phrases like, click here, opt for something specific, like join our newsletter or get your free guide. This kind of language encourages visitors to take the action you want them to. Once you've customized your text and visuals, it's important to preview your landing page. Look for a preview button or option and give it a click. This will allow you to see how your landing page will look to users before you publish it. It's a good opportunity to catch any typos or make final adjustments. If everything looks great, it's time to set up the form where you'll collect information from your visitors. Beehiiv should have a simple form builder that allows you to customize what fields you want to include, such as name, email, and any other pertinent information. Make sure that your form is user-friendly. The more straightforward it is for your visitors to fill out, the more likely they are to do so. Now you're almost finished. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, it's time to publish your landing page. Look for a Publish button, and once you click that, Beehiiv will give you a link to your new landing page. You can share this link on social media, via email, or wherever your audience hangs out. And there you have it. You successfully created a landing page in Beehiiv. Remember, the beauty of Beehiiv is its flexibility, so feel free to come back and tweak your landing page as your needs change or as you gather feedback. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and happy landing page building!